everyone, and I think you didn't know what the action of Subtraction is. Well, you will learn what that is today, and I'm Aissa, so let's start the video. Subtraction is an action that will make your total less, and if it's less, it's not that good, but it can be good. Wherever your ice cream scoops or holds in hoops or inches from a dress. Whatever you're counting, it will also take a part, and you leave then with not as much as you had to start. If 7 angry bunnies were barking, woof, 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 yeah, and they were all barking at the door, that would not be good. And if 8 kittens stares 3 away, they will go away. And they will go away, and then they will not be anymore at the door. And what if 13 horses had nested in your tree? Well, that would not be good. If 10 of them would just buzz off, you then have only 3 left. And then it's just good because 3 is less. So that's how you learned that it's less. Do you see what subtraction does? It changes the amount of, if there's 7 cakes, yeah, somebody eats 1 cake, you will be left with 6. Did you know that? Well, you know it now. So you'll wind up your fins when you will find counting. Minimum means to take away some number from the whole, like if you had 10 balls, pins, and grabs a ball unwrapped. Let's see, knocked down 8 pins with the first ball that you can throw. Then you will would see 2 still be standing because 10 minus 8 is 2. Did you know that? Well, now you know it. Don't you know it now? Well, you do. Your second ball knocks 2 more down. You did it! Hooray! You're the hero. Now the pins are down because minus 2 equals 0. And you did 0. Is this case it means equal or total just the same? That single means matching values is a problem or a game. Did you know that? Well, now you know it if you didn't. Like if you had 3 out left and someone lost your shoe. Well, you lost your shoe. It just ran off. Isn't that fun? It ran off like this. Oh, it gone away. And then you needed to catch the shoe. Your coach would have to call 1 and you'll be left with 2. 3 was what started with. Then subtract 1. That would be equal 2 more left. Before the game was done, everybody had done. If John had 12 animals and she gave 2 to Stanley, then 5 more went to Mandy. Here's how you do it. I'll tell you how to do it now. Start with 12. Take 2 away. 12 minus 2 equals 10, and it's 10. Subtract the 5 for Marky, then that leaves 5 for Jenny. Whatever we subtract things, it can make us sad or glad. Depending on whatever they is less of good or bad. I don't know. Maybe it can be good or even bad. I don't know. Like fewer school days during the snow and less time with the dentist. And you can have less time with the dentist. Well, yeah. Not as much as this one since the doctor fixed your bent wrist. Because it was bent. It was like, yeah, and you didn't like it. And you needed to go to the doctor to fix it. A smaller plate of vegetables, a shorter list of chores. Let's time your homework. See the number move towards 0. with shrinks kind of action and not quite as many snores. And all of this is possible because you subtracted. So what is subtraction? Do you know? Well, I know. It's when you subtract numbers, because if you do 5 minus 2, it will be 3. I hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget, like, and don't you know now what subtraction is? Well, I guess you didn't know what first it was, and now if you didn't, now you know it. Bye-bye!